Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable or enable Task Manager on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable or enable Task Manager on Windows 11 computer, go to Search and in search type RHCEDIT and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Registry editor has been opened. Now go to SK current user, expand it. Now expand software, then expand Microsoft, scroll down, then expand Windows, then expand current version. Now expand policies. Now right click on policies and go to new and click on key, type system and now click on system key and then right click on empty area and click on new and then click on dot 32-bit value. Right click on the newly created value and click on rename. Just type the name disable task MGR and right click on the task setting and then click on modify and now the value is 0. Just set the value 1. Now click on OK. Look, now the value is 1. That means disable task manager is turned on. Now you need to restart your computer. Close registry editor, click on start menu, click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, look, task manager is not showing here and you cannot access in task manager. Go to search and type task manager, click on task manager and look, task manager has been disabled by your administrator. Now if you want to enable task manager, just again in search type RHCEDIT, right click on registry editor, click on run as administrator, click on yes and then go to SK current user, then software, then Microsoft and then again go to Windows and then current version and go to policies and then go to system. Here you will find a task, disable task manager. You can delete the task or you can modify and give the value 0. If you set the value 0, the disable task manager will not work after next restart. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.